Chandamama Kathalu is my first film. I'm playing one of the lead character in it, and I'm very happy to be the part of Tasya. They're really doing good events and helping women and helping the victims. And after rape, girl loses their life, and mental stability will come down, and she might commit suicide, or she might get into depression. Lots of stuff will happen. We have to support this because India is a country of respect, and we need to respect each and every one. And outside foreigners, everyone, India ante respect tradition ani matladtaru, and we need to protect our country. So let all support, and let all support Tasya group. And I wish many of this organization comes up, and rape should be nil in India in the next couple of years. I already and I want to mention that Tasya's ramp walk show is gonna happen on March 4th, and I'm gonna walk on it. Please enjoy and please support. These days a lot of porn websites are free on internet, and all these and then movies, a lot of glamour, exposed romance are up to very high extent. And I think Hollywood culture is coming into Bollywood and now Tollywood. So I wish children should be protected to watch TV or to watch A-rated movies up to some extent, where they get their maturity levels to think which is bad and which is good. So until then, I think we need to protect our children from watching anything which is A-rated, so that they don't get tempted or anything like that. And there's a lot of illiterate people who are who really they see some good-looking girl, and they get tempted. All that should be get into control, and we need to educate people about it. It is also one of the reason. I don't say it's playing the main role, but as technology improving, the crime rates, the rape rates, everything are increasing. So I think it should come under control. Otherwise, they now the rape ratios are like 3 for 1 week, and then what do you think India might get into a level like in next couple of years? There'll be many rape cases, and harassing, and we don't feel like coming out of the house, and no girl feels secure. Yeah, as an actress, I play a lead role in Chandamama Kathalu. As I said, I play a girl who is minor, and a guy harasses, and because of that they get them married, and child marriage and pregnancy mein wo mar jati hai. So what I'm telling is, see, a guy might harass her, and then parents should support, and then make her lead her own life, not getting married to some guy who got harassed. 1 or 2 days she might think about it, but you get married to him, lifelong she's gonna suffer. And child marriage, we have to stop it, because our body won't be physically strong to take that delivery pain, and she dies. So she's your daughter, man. Come on, you should not do that. Women, let us respect India. Thank you. Please join with us on March 4th, Tasya Fashion Week. Thank you.